This is a USB-A to micro USB cable, sold typically for e-readers that have this USB micro cable connection, but it's basically just a regular 3-foot USB cable. It has a woven braid on the outside here, a little bit of kind of a molded plug there where the wire goes into it. No real strain relief to speak of other than that woven braid. So I'm using this to charge a Kobo Aura One, and it is charging it exactly as I would expect. So this cable also works with data. It's detected my computer's been connected, and when it connects to the computer here, you'll see that it enumerates the drive. So this cable does work for data transfer as well. If you need a USB-A to micro USB cable, this guy worked just fine on my e-reader, and the MSRP on this guy is $3.99.